Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sync audio with video in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and as you can see, I have imported some photos and I have imported audio as well to this CapCut project. And I'm going to match cut with audio beat. If we want to do that, first thing first, we need to click on the audio and click on the audio again until it's active. As you can see by the outline that the audio is active, and we're going to scroll all the way to the right around here to find the beat option. And here we can choose either we want to add the audio beat manually or automatically. If you want to add it manually, you just need to click on this plus button and you can add the audio beat manually. You can add the beat mark manually, but I'm just going to use the auto generate to add the beat mark automatically. And here we can choose the tempo. You can select intense or light. And I'm just going to select this one, and we can click on the check mark after we're done. Okay, and as you can see that the beat mark have been added to my project or to my audio, and we can sing the cut with the audio beat like this. You can do it one by one until the rest of your video. Okay, or you can also click on split and click on delete. Oops, sorry. Click on delete like this, split, and delete. Okay, and now it's done guys, and I'm going to take a look at the final result. Okay, alright guys, and that's all the way to sync audio with video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.